All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. We have Cazzu. I think that is how the name pronounced. I'm not sure. First time on this channel, and we're gonna look into a song called Con Otra. So this is for Spanish-speaking people. Everybody out there, hope you will enjoy the song. Now let's go into the setting here. We have the capo set on the first fret. That is the best scenario. Let's go into the chords, and we're gonna start with A minor. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the D minor next, and that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have G, that will be third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have the E, and that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. So far, we learned the chords for the verse play. We need to continue now with the F chord. And that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret and you push down all strings. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And then we also got the C chord. And that goes third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And there we have all the chords to handle the song. Now, let's go into the strumming. We're gonna grab the A minor first, and one string around will be the popular down, up, clap, down. Okay, so one down first, and then short pause, and then up, clap, down. So, down, up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. Right, so we're ready for a song, and I'm aware that it doesn't start with this strumming immediately in the song here, because it's just simple downs and so on. The chords will be the same. I want to teach one strumming pattern that works throughout the song, so you could play it from the very start, but I know it starts a little bit in the second round of everything, so I'm aware of that, but I just teach you one way of playing this with strumming pattern. And with that way, you will have the understanding of, if you play with one down only, you understand how long the pauses will be, since they follow the strumming pattern's length, if that makes sense. Anyway, let's go into the first verse. So A minor, 2 string rounds, D minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, and E, 2 string rounds, like this. Again, A minor, 2, D minor, 2, G, 2, E, 2. And that is the verse play. Then comes the pre-chorus, okay? So the second pre-chorus with this strumming starts at 2 minutes and 35 seconds in, but it also has a first pre-chorus with just play downs. Again, I understand that, but it's good to know the strumming so you can have either way, just one down or the strumming. So we have the F chord to start with, then we have the G, then E. Okay, you're gonna play 2 string rounds for these first 3 chords. So F2, G2, E2. Then you're gonna play A minor 1, G1, and then F2 and E2. Okay, that is one round, and that is what you're gonna play. So F, 2, G, 2, E, 2, A minor, G, F, 2, and E. And that is a pre-chorus play. Now, into the chorus, you're going to play 2 string rounds per chord for the following chords: A minor, D minor, G, C, F, D minor, and the last chord you're going to play E, 4 string rounds. All other chords, like I said, 2 and 4 on the last E chord, like this: A minor, D minor, G, C, F, D minor, and E. 2, 3, 4, and that that's the chorus play. And there, my friends, you have all the tools to handle Con Otra from Cazzu. Cazzu, I'm not sure. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.